INVIDEO AI versus CapCut usage experience. Links to both INVIDEO AI and CapCut are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare two popular video creation tools, INVIDEO AI and CapCut, each catering to different needs but both offering powerful features for video makers. INVIDEO AI is an AI-driven platform designed for users who need to quickly create professional videos. It's perfect for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to streamline video production. INVIDEO AI's standout feature is its script-to-video functionality, where you can input a script and the platform will generate a fully editable video complete with relevant visuals, animations, and music. With over 5,000 templates and a vast media library, INVIDEO AI is highly customizable, making it ideal for social media content, ads, and promotional videos. The platform is user-friendly, but offers enough depth for experienced video editors to add their personal touch. If you're looking to create dynamic, high-quality videos with minimal effort, INVIDEO AI is a solid choice. On the other hand, CapCut is a free, user-friendly video editing app that has gained massive popularity, especially among social media creators. Known for its easy interface, CapCut allows you to create and edit videos quickly with a wide array of features, including effects, filters, text animations, and transitions. CapCut is particularly popular among TikTok and YouTube Shorts creators due to its simple yet effective tools for making short-form videos. While it doesn't have the same script-to-video AI capabilities as INVIDEO AI, CapCut excels in hands-on video editing, giving users complete control over their content. It's ideal for anyone needing a quick and efficient video editing tool without the steep learning curve. In conclusion, if you're focused on generating high-quality videos from scratch, especially for marketing purposes, INVIDEO AI offers AI-driven automation with robust creative control. If you need a quick, free, and straightforward tool for editing videos, particularly for short-form content, CapCut is the better choice. Check the links in the description to explore both tools further and see which one fits your needs.